welcome to my channel. I'm back. I know it's been literally forever since I've filmed or posted anything. I've been like MIA for a while. It's been super crazy with work and stuff. So yeah, I'm back with the easiest fall makeup tutorial ever. I was running out of light like outside, so I just did something really quick, fall, kind of grungy, but it's like just super simple. You can wear it to work or wear it out if you like don't have time. So hope you guys enjoy this, and if you guys had to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start, I've already moisturized my face. I'm gonna start by just putting a little bit of the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation in LW2 in the center of my face. This is gonna act as like my highlight, like contour, my highlight step and concealer. And I'm just gonna kind of like rub that in with my fingers. And I'm not actually gonna wear any concealer. If you want to, be my guest. This is just how I've been doing my makeup lately. And yeah. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of my Milk Makeup bronzing. Okay, next I'm gonna mix two of my cloud paints. I'm gonna mix Puff and Dusk to make kind of like a little bit more of a muted pink. So I just put a small dollop of Puff, and then I'm gonna do a tiny bit of Dusk just to deepen it a small amount, like that ratio. And then I just mix them together. Pat, pat, pat. And if you haven't seen my tutorials before with cloud paint, I kind of like let it sit on my face for a hot second and then I'll blend it in. So I'm going to, I already have a tiny bit of brow gel in my brows already, but I'm just gonna put a little bit more in. I use the Physicians Formula Brow Last. My camera tracking thinks that my face is like here. No, it's not. There we go. And then I always like to deepen up the highest point of my cheekbones a little bit. I haven't been wearing like highlight or anything, so this is kind of my way of like bringing my face up. Can you hear my dogs? Okay, and then I'm gonna take the shade Privy? I don't know. This one. It's kind of like a taupey gray shimmer, and I'm going to use the shader end of an Anastasia brush. It's kind of like a short dome tip shading brush. I don't really know. And I'm just gonna put that right under my lash line. I'm gonna put a little bit of Dazzle on top of that. It's more of like a cool tone copper. And I actually really like this color because I love copper, but like I cannot wear warm tone copper. It just makes me look like Live More. So that's a no-go for me. And then I'm gonna take like a clean blending brush and just kind of like buff that a little bit so it's not super harsh. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the purple shimmer Piece of Me right into my lash line using like a really small flat lay down brush. I don't know what you would call that. It's not really a pencil. Okay, then I'm gonna use, I know it's like a broken piece of a brush. Don't judge me, I'm a hoarder, I don't know. But it's just a pencil brush. And I'm gonna put this into Debutante. It's like a silver shimmer. And I'm gonna put that underneath my eye. I started putting the bright shimmers like underneath my eye where I would normally put like matte shades ever since I started rewatching Heart of Dixie, and Lemon Breland always has like glitter liner underneath her eyes and it looks so stunning, and I love her and I want to be her. So yep, that's what I do now. So I'm just gonna like press that in. Oh, this one is kind of glittery and like gets in your eyes, so just be forewarned. It's not quite popping like I want it to, so I'm actually going to add a little bit of Dazzle to it. And I put this one underneath my eye before. I know I like it. Dazzle is again that like cool tone copper. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Glossier Lash Slick, and I'm gonna put this as my mascara. Finally, I'm going to put a little bit of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Rome on my lips. Alright guys, that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, it was super easy and fast. I'm hoping to start getting back into the swing of filming, so if you have any requests or suggestions for looks I should do for like fall or anything like that, just let me know. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in a video super soon. Okay, bye!